Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ClickUp sprints with custom sprint goals, full guide step by step clearly. To update ClickUp sprints with custom sprint goals, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where your project is located. Locate the specific sprint you want to update. Click on the sprint to open its details. Within the sprint details, look for the option labeled Goals or Sprint Goals. Click on the Add Goal button to create a new goal for your sprint. Enter a clear and concise description of your custom goal. Specify the desired outcome to provide clarity on what you aim to achieve. Set a deadline for your goal to ensure timely completion. If applicable, assign team members responsible for this goal. Review the goal details to ensure they align with your sprint's objectives. After confirming all information, click the Save button. You will see the new goal listed within the sprint details. If you need to edit or update the goal later, click on it to access the editing options. Make any necessary adjustments and save the changes. To track progress, use the status options to indicate the goal's current state. Encourage team members to update the status regularly for better visibility. Consider adding comments or discussions relevant to the goal for better collaboration. Regularly review the sprint goals during your sprint planning and retrospectives. This practice ensures alignment and helps the team stay focused on achieving their objectives. Updating ClickUp sprints with custom goals is a straightforward process that enhances team accountability and clarity. Implement this strategy to streamline your project management efforts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.